get the dog out of the way. Okay. This. So not enough room for the slide out and insert. We have to pre-assemble it and then put it like that, and then tie the top and then put the fridge to make it work. So this is the idea right here. We're gonna put the fridge right here at the entrance because it's easy access. Let's say you're at the campground, you're outside, you want to have access to the fridge. You don't have to climb up here. Usually you see people have their fridge in the counter here in the back here. That means you want to get to the fridge, you have to go inside the van, and unless you have a double sliding door, you can access from the other side. No, not really. If the fridge is facing this way, then you still have to get inside to get to the fridge. In this case, you're from the outside, we're gonna just slide it out, open it, you can get to the fridge, and then our sink's gonna be on the top. The only thing is you lose a little bit of entrance space right here, which you don't need all that entrance space. There's gonna be an open right here. When the bed is in the upright position like this, you have a hangout space right here as well. You saw my mini control board, looks so cute. I'm ready with that, already hooked up. So now, I've never talked about the water tank or the plumbing part as far as I remember. So I just want to touch base a little bit. So just in case you need some information, these are the Class A fresh or gray water tank. You can find these on Amazon, any size, 10 gallons up to 30 and 40 gallons tank. They all come with 1.5 inch opening with already threaded, and then two of the on the opposite side, two of the 1/2 inch. So 1.5 on each, on two corners, and then the opposite corners are the 1/2 inch size. Since my system is 1/2 inch all the way, 1/2 inch all the way, like I'm using the PEX pipe, it's gonna be 1/2 inch PEX. My water pump is gonna be a 1/2 inch outlet also, and then my freshwater inlet 1/2 inch. So I'm converting everything into 1/2 inch. Even the water heater is a 1/2 inch. So 1/2 inch it is. Where I have my inlet. So this is how this setup is, right? Let's put it right here, real quick. Okay. So this one is not being used. I don't use this one. I use the other three. So on the bottom one here is where the outlet, it's where I connect to my water pump. So it's pumping out this way. Okay. This is where the freshwater inlet. So that's where I the fresh water coming in. Okay. Since this is out, I mean 1/2 inch, you can get this. This is from Home Depot. This is male thread, reduced into 1/2 inch thread also. That you can put it right here. Okay, put it to right here, and then I'm using either the ankle or the straight. These are all 1/2 inch male thread. This is a 1/2 inch and 1/2 inch. This is where I connect my PEX pipe into with the crimp, and also I have a straight, which is the same 1/2 inch. It depends on where you want to the water coming in. If I want it coming straight to here, that's where one uses straight. It's instead of make it ankle. So sometimes you need to do ankle because you want the open spot and stuff. So like these here, I want to keep the area in front of here open. So I'm gonna route it from here in this ankle and then go this way. So that's what I'm using. And this is the breathing, the overflow. When you do your tank, you gotta have the overflow or the breathing for the tank, because when you fill up the water, you gotta let the air out, otherwise you're gonna blow up your tank. And also, if you overfill or when you drive with a lot of water in here, it splashes and then it spills out, and this is where it's gonna go through outside the car. So that's basically what it is. Out into the pump goes out into the hot water, and then it, you can do all kinds of teas and split into the sink, and then to here or to out here for quick connect on the outside. It's up to you, but basically it's a simple setup like that. Hope that helps. What is going on with this weather here? One day was super cold, one day today is hot. Anyways, what I was doing there, I was painting. I spent a lot of time cutting these sides, for the cabinet, the front, and everything, and I was painting it. After this, I'm gonna put it all up, and then it's gonna look really nice. Today is something different. Besides the van build, we're gonna do some cooking. A friend went spearfishing, and he brought us some big, these are called shipheads. Some nice fish. So what we're gonna do, how we're gonna cook this? Well, this is the first time I'm gonna cook shipheads. Yeah, we're gonna stuff one of them with all the spices, all the herbs, the lemongrass, the thyme, the rosemary, and then marinate from the outside. Bake them with the vegetable, some like potato and some squash on the side. The other one, we're gonna marinate it with black pepper and how about garlic black pepper flavor. Yeah, that sounds good. All right, let's clean this up, and then we're gonna bake it, and I'll see you in a minute. All right, check it out. We got the zucchini and the potato, and this side we got the one with the spices, the black pepper and the onion, the garlic flavor, and this side we got the herbs. You can see the lemongrass right there. It's gonna go in the oven right now. Man, actually we have more food here. This is Chinese broccoli, shrimp, and beef. So it's beef and shrimp, Chinese broccoli, and then we have chow mein here. Also beef and shrimp chow mein. Hell yeah. And here is our fish. It's ready. Still steamy. Let's check out. Alright guys, I'm ready to taste the fish. Check this out. Oh, look at that. White meat. Oh, nice and juicy inside. Look at this. My God. Let's take this bite. A little bone here. Dude. This fish is so tender. Oh, I like the meat. Tender and a little bit chewy meat, which is really good. Ooh, it's like lobster meat. Now that is the ingredients one. I mean the herbs one. Yeah. How about let's check out the salt and pepper. Oh man, look at that juiciness. Also white, and I can hear the dogs behind me. He wants some. Actually wants some fish. Now you can smell it. I love the fish meat. I'm just tasting it. Okay, I'm not gonna eat all of it. I'm gonna take a bite at the zucchini. Still crunchy. Very flavorful. Okay, I'm not gonna put it back in there. Potato. Okay, I'm ready for dinner. Thank you so much, Ronald, if you're watching. Good fish. Thank you. Alright, looks good. Alright guys, I'm kind of disappointed a little bit about this here for not being slide all the way out, because this, and if I would have gone with a smaller fridge, maybe I can slide all the way out. So that is something to think about on the future. Let's see how convenient it is. If it's not, probably need to downsize the fridge a little bit. So for now, is so you can all open just enough to get things out of here, but you cannot open all the way up. But then only you can access from the outside. So what if you're inside? This thing can be switched to open from the inside or the outside, but that's too much work to every time you want to switch inside or outside. But if you open this much and open like this, and you can access from here from the inside, it's just a little bit not convenient. Another choice is to get the one that opens this way instead. Probably, yeah, that's a better choice. Get the one that opens this way, so that you can access from either side. So that is something to think about in the future. But for now, this slide looks great. It's a 250-pound slide, locks in place. Okay, I'm going to start putting all the panels on the sides and the front, all around. start to look good already. Look at this. Don't you guys think this camper van is cute? It is a small version of the Sprinter. It is so cute. So there are not that many things left. I just need to cut a couple more sides, the countertop, and then the quick connect area right here. I also gonna have something here. Look at this. I put the on-off switch, the main switch, on right on the outside here, so that you can either access from inside or outside here. When the inside, when the door is closed, you still can reach in and turn it off. USB out here, and then finish up the panels. Man, it looks cute. It does. Besides that, it's ready for camping. The fabric, the case here for the cushion is being sold right now, and I do have a 72-inch long convertible bed. Check out this galley. I am almost done. Just need to cut the countertop, sink. Pretty much I am 90% done with this van. That was quick, wasn't it? I'm excited. Can't wait for the van tour. Alright, with that being said, please, if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel, so you can see a lot of these van builds ideas coming up, and I hope this gives you a lot of ideas what you can do with the minivan, even though it's smaller, but you can kind of duplicate the idea with the Sprinter. The only thing you don't have is the head clearance on this, but you can fit a lot of things with this van, and it's, you know, the most important is it's a minivan size. You can park, fit anywhere inside the garage. You still can fit. So can't wait for the van tour. With that being said, please, if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead, subscribe and hit that like button and give me a thumbs up, and please share the video, and I will see you next episode. Thank you so much. Bye.